more immersive, like a guided tour by your Esperanza, who knows every corner of this beautiful creation. The project planner is not just another tool on your desktop. It is more like a companion, one that quietly remembers the work you've done, the code you've written, the ideas you were chasing in the middle of the night when you thought no one else would understand. Built using Flask and designed to run in your browser with nothing but a click, this app transforms the way you organize, document, and revisit your software projects. When you open the planner, you are greeted by a dashboard that feels more like a digital library than a database. Each project is a card, a memory, a preserved state of your creative momentum. You can click into any one of them and relive where you left off, whether it was a half-finished utility script, a fully deployed Flask API, or an experimental concept you only explored for a weekend. Creating a new project is easy and expressive. The form lets you do more than just title your project. You can write a full description, choose the current status, and list all the languages and frameworks you used. You can paste in problems you encountered, goals you set for yourself, or solutions you want to revisit later. There is space for Markdown formatted documentation, so your technical writing stays clean and readable just the way developers like it. There's also room for casual notes, things you didn't want to forget, little insights, or just thoughts you jotted down mid-flow. One of the most powerful features is the ability to upload your main project file, not just to save it, but to embed it into the system's memory. When you upload a code file, the planner reads it, stores its content, and makes it searchable. You can later view that code right on the detail page, download it, or edit it outside the planner and upload it again. It's like having a living archive of your code base. Now, let's talk about what really sets the planner apart. Semantic search. Most search boxes just look for words, but this planner does something deeper. It uses a pre-trained transformer model to understand meaning. That means you don't need to remember exact titles or keywords. You can type in something like, show me the project where I was testing a recursive tree in Python, or which project had a D3.js visualization using Flask, and the app will bring it back, ranking the results by how close they are in meaning to what you asked. This is possible thanks to ChromaDB, a local vector database that stores your project summaries as embeddings. Every time you save or update a project, an embedding is created using the transformer model. That summary includes everything: the description, the notes, the problems, the documentation, and the content of the uploaded code file. It's like teaching the app to remember the essence of your work, not just the labels. When you view a project, the layout is clean and informative. You see the description, the current status, and the dates. You see the full Markdown rendered documentation, just like you'd expect on GitHub. You can download it with one click. You also see your problems and your notes, formatted with line breaks so they feel like a journal, not just raw text. If you uploaded a code file, you'll see it displayed in a scrollable panel. The file name is preserved and you can download it anytime. That way, even if you accidentally lose the original on your machine, the planner still holds onto it like a digital safety net. Deleting and editing projects is just as smooth. You can update any field, swap out the main code file, and the semantic memory will update itself automatically. It's always learning from what you give it. What makes this planner so special is that it respects the creative flow. It doesn't interrupt. It listens. It holds onto your thoughts, your code, your notes, all in one place, and gives it back when you ask for it. It is especially useful if you're a developer who jumps between ideas, or someone who loves to experiment. Maybe you have dozens of little projects across your folders, and you keep forgetting what you did or where you left off. The project planner becomes your second brain, one that is searchable, organized, and patient. And because it's all built in Flask, it runs locally, keeps your data private, and uses only lightweight tools like SQLite for storage and ChromaDB for embeddings. There are no cloud dependencies unless you choose to add them later. Everything lives on your machine, and everything is designed to be easy to extend. You could Dockerize it, hook it up to GitHub, or even plug it into a larger AI assistant. This is not just an app. It's a quiet revolution in how developers work with memory. It turns your passing thoughts into persistent knowledge. It connects pieces of yourself across time, and it lets you return to your past work with clarity and purpose. Whether you are planning a project, archiving a finished one, or just leaving breadcrumbs for your future self, the project planner is there, listening, remembering, and waiting for the next chapter in your creative journey.